Hey friends! Keep your vehicle's exterior pristine and protected with these high-performance car wash soaps designed for maximum shine and safety. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car wash soap in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. This citrus-based formula is a powerhouse that blends the natural degreasing properties of citrus with advanced gloss-enhancing technology. It creates a mountain of slippery, luxurious bubbles that safely transport abrasive particles and road debris away from your paintwork. Beyond just cleaning, it actually enriches the depth and clarity of your car's color, making it look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Whether you are using a professional foam cannon or a simple bucket, the invigorating fresh scent transforms a routine chore into a premium detailing experience. It is the ultimate choice for those who want a deep, effective clean that respects their vehicle's existing wax and sealant layers while providing a brilliant, streak-free finish on every surface. Next up, our second product, the Meguiar's Car Wash Soap. If you're looking to slash your washing time in half without sacrificing professional results, this touchless shampoo solution is your new best friend. It utilizes a high-viscosity white foam that clings tenaciously to vertical surfaces, chemically breaking down heavy road grime and stubborn grease so you don't have to pick up a brush. This is particularly beneficial for delicate finishes or ceramic coatings where you want to minimize physical contact to prevent micromarring or scratches. The concentrated, biodegradable formula is incredibly economical, allowing you to refresh up to 10 vehicles with just a single gallon of product. It is a total game-changer for busy car owners who want their ride to look immaculate with nothing more than a simple spray and a pressure rinse. Coming in at number 3, the Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. While most products focus exclusively on the exterior, this comprehensive leather cleaner and conditioner kit ensures your interior remains just as luxurious and well-maintained as the paint. It provides a specialized two-step process that first lifts deeply embedded oils and dirt from the pores of natural or synthetic leather, followed by a nourishing treatment. This duo is essential for preventing the premature aging, drying, and unsightly cracking that often plagues vehicles exposed to harsh sunlight and interior heat. The included high-quality brushes and microfiber towels ensure that you can reach every crevice of your seats or dashboard with ease and precision. It is a professional-grade treatment that leaves a non-greasy, supple finish that feels incredibly soft and looks vibrant for years to come. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the PNS Professional Car Wash Soap. This particular soap is a fan favorite among detailing enthusiasts who crave an extreme, snow effect during their weekend car wash routine. The MaxiSuds 2 technology is specifically engineered to create massive amounts of thick lubrication, which is the absolute key to preventing swirl marks during the hand-washing phase. Its pH-neutral chemistry means you can wash your car as often as you like without worrying about degrading your expensive ceramic coatings or specialty waxes. The delightful cherry aroma fills the air, creating a pleasant atmosphere while the heavy-duty suds work to encapsulate and lift grit. It is a versatile, high-performance shampoo that works equally well in a traditional wash bucket or a modern foam gun for a truly professional-grade clean that shines. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Adams Polishes Car Wash Soap. This car shampoo is widely regarded as a gold standard for anyone who wants a dependable, safe, and effective wash every single time. It excels at maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's protective layers, ensuring that your wax and sealant stay exactly where they belong while the dirt is rinsed away. The formula is uniquely designed to be ultra-slick, which significantly reduces the friction that causes scratches and helps the water sheet off the car during the final rinse. This helps to minimize those annoying water spots that can ruin a perfect detail, even if you are washing your vehicle in direct sunlight. By choosing this soap, you are investing in the long-term health of your vehicle's paint, ensuring it stays glossy and protected against the elements. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.